Remember week 5, math, 2nd grade, lesson 2, checkerboard for long multiplication. First we're going to write down a long multiplication. 251 times 34. 251 has 1 unit, 5 tens, and 2 hundredths. 34 goes underneath, that's 4 units, which goes under the 1, and 3 tens. And we're going to put a times sign. And make a line. And the problem number is MJ. So you're going to do a little M and a J inside a bubble. Good job. Miss Lannery, do you have time to write in Jude's, because he's testing right now? That will help him get caught up when he gets back. Thanks. What is my finger on? What's the word for this number?
Particle.
Good guess. Multiplier is that one with
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. Good. Multiplicand. Everybody. Multiplicand. Now what's my finger on?
Multiplier.
That's the multiplier. Good job. That's why he's got tools. Workers have tools, right? So the multiplier has got this like X-shaped wrench with different sockets on the ends. He does a lot of stuff with that. And he's going to make this guy 34 times.
Remainder. Yeah.
Excuse me? This down here, we call it the product. Later, I'll be showing you how to do 2 partial products like you learned on the bead frames. But for today, we're just going to put it all together and make a product. With the checkerboard, you use tiles to show the multiplier and the multiplicand. Which one lies in the sand? The multiplicand. So, is he clean or dirty? He's clean. He's just lying around. He's not doing anything. He's got a soda. He's got a sun umbrella. He's having a great time. He's got his beach towel. Is he clean or dirty? Clean. So we're going to use clean tiles for him. Nice, pretty, clean tiles. Which one's getting dirty and sweaty?
Multiplier.
The multiplier. We're going to be using gray tiles because he's like, he's getting so dusty and dirty and sweaty. Okay? So we're going to start by making the multiplicand with white tiles. And we need to find a white tile with a 1 that's green for units. So if you look at your tiles, you can look until you find a 1.
I found one right away.
That's green. You don't need to talk about it, you just need to find it. And I'm not finding one, so give me a minute here.
I'll find the
Found it! Did you all get one like this? Okay, Alder, can you stay back here? We're going to put that lying down in the sand under the units, which is green. So put it right there. You can put it right on the 1 or right under it.
Right under the 1.
Next, we're going to look for another clean tile, the ones that look like they've been dipped in bleach. But this time, we're not going to need green. We're going to need what color for the 10s? Blue, and we need a blue 5. So look at your white tile with blue, and look for a 5. Aha! Okay, and then we're going to put that under, again, lying in the sand, under the blue for 10s square. Last of all, we're going to get another clean, white, bleached looking towel. This time, what color do we need for hundreds? Red, and we need a 2. Oh, everybody found one. Good. And it's going to sit under this red red square for hundreds lying down in the sand. Do you see how it's lying down? Okay, now we're going to make the multiplier. He's sweaty. He's a worker. So we're going to get a gray towel with what color? 4. Green for units. Good job. Gray towel with a green 4. It's going to go over here because it's going to stand up. It does have to be by the units, but it's going to be in the standing up zone. Andrew, move your book so that your checkerboard is flat. Thank you. So Alder put the 4 right over here. There we go. And now you're going to go back to your gray, sweaty, dirty, dusty towels and find one with a 3, but it's blue for 10s, right? Those are 3 10s. And it's going to stand up because you can't work if you're lying down. It's standing up over here by the blue 10 square. Now, who goes first, units or 10s? Units first. So you see this guy? It's not his shift yet. These guys are working in shifts like coal miners and bakers do, okay? Some of them get there at 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, he's not on yet. He's going to do some work, but he's not on yet. So flip him over. He'll come on later. It's this guy's shift. And we're going to do 4 units times 1. So you can go here and get 4 little 1Bs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And put them there. Love how you're taking turns, everybody. Make sure someone else does the next part. 4 units times 5. And it's going to go here because it's 10s. So you're going to get 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put them there. Make sure you get 4 of them. And you're almost done with the 4, right? He's been real busy. He's got one more thing to do. He's going to make 4 2s, and they're hundreds. So you're going to get 4 2s and stick them right there in that 100 spot. 2s are green, and they're kind of cute. They're very little. 2. 3, 4. Okay, you did it! Put him in the red 100 square. Now, this guy's done. He worked real hard, you guys. He gets a break. So flip him over, and it's the 10's turn. So they need to be showing. So flip the 10's. It's their shift. And they're going to make 3. I'm waiting for Caden to sit and watch. Thank you. They're going to make 3 1s, but these are 3. These are 3 10s. 10s times units makes 10s. So when these 3 10s make these ones, it's going to turn into 10s. So instead of putting them here, we're going to put them here. You guys get it? Because those are 3 10s. So you're going to get 3 1s, but you're going to put them in that blue square. 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s. Blue square. Taking turns. Good. Back to your 3, your 10s guy, your 3 10s. This time it's 10s. Please don't do that. 10s times 10s. What does happen when we get 10s times 10s? It becomes what? No, that's a good guess. 10s times 10s.
10. 19.
Okay.
15. 100.
A 10 of 10s is 100, right? Do you all remember from the bank game? 10 bars is the same as 100 square. Let's skip count our tens and see if it's true. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What's 10 tens? 100. So when you get tens times tens, it's going to be hundreds. So we're going to get 3 fives, but they have to go here because it's tens times tens. All right? So we're going to get 1, 2, 3 fives, and put them in the 100 square. Kind of interesting, huh? Got it? 3 fives in the 100 square. Okay, back to your 3 tens. They're almost done with their shift. They've got one more thing to do. It's tens times hundreds. Does anyone know what that's going to mean?
Thousands.
Yes, thousands are right. So we're going to get 3 twos, but they're going to go here because it's tens times hundreds. 3 twos. Ready? 1, 2, 3 of them. And then put them in that 1,000 square. Good job. Now, we did everything it said, but it's kind of a mess. Thank you, Andrew. It's a mess. We can't write it down, can we? So, we're going to slide stuff down, but you must never mix tens with units. So please watch. Watch me. These tens are going to go to those tens. These hundreds are going to go to those hundreds, and these thousands can go ahead and move down to the bottom. Everybody do that? No, taking turns, please. Very nice. Very, very nice. Good. Okay. And Alder, move your book a tiny bit under your knees more because your checkerboard's getting a big bump in it. Okay. We're going to clean it up more because it's almost ready to write down, but it's still a little bit messy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a 4 bar. So you're going to exchange for a 4.
Get the 4 bar.
Stick it right there. Okay, now, ooh, this is going to be a little harder. You guys are, can you move your book so you don't have a big fold in your checkerboard? Ready? With Miss Kenny. Another person's going to take a turn. So whoever did this, give someone else a turn. Andrew, move your book so you don't fold your checkerboard up. Keep your checkerboard flat. Okay. Ready? Go to your tens. 5, 10. Alter, that's hundreds. 15, 20. 21, 22, 23. So, excuse me. You're going to put all that away, and here's how you make 23. Watch. You are not allowed to use these. So, 23 looks like this. It's got 2 tens and 3 units, but these are tens of tens, so they're going to go over here in the hundreds. And then the 3 units of tens can stay there. 23. Do you guys see that? Just put them in 2 different boxes. You're out of little green guys? Are you out of little green guys? Here's one for you. One for you. And now put the 1 little 2 here, because it's tens of tens, and the other 3 here. Alexis, you let Alder do it. Good job! Now we got to clean the hundreds up. Ready? Alder should not be doing this. Somebody else should. 5. Alexis, you should probably be doing this.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Andrew? Okay, let's start this again. Somebody else needs to take a turn doing this. Whoever did not do this.
I didn't do that.
5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. gonna make 25. Put all this away.
Unnecessary check.
Put it all away. No, you put it away, dear. And how do we make 25 hundredths? Well, 25 has 2 tens and 5 units. 2 tens of hundreds is 2,000. So those are going to go here. 5 units of hundreds just goes right there in the hundreds. Very good. All right. I think cleaning up the hundreds is going to be pretty easy. And whoever has not had a turn, Jude, that's you, needs to take a turn. Ready? Go to your thousands. Sorry. Cleaning these up is probably easy. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 bar. Stick it in there. Jude, you're going to put that right there in the thousands. Now can we write it down? Yes. So let's write down how many units we have. 4. How many tens do we have? 3. Hundreds? 5. Put a comma now because you're going to enter a new family. Units of thousands. 8. Let's read it. Ready? Wait. Waiting for Caden. Caden, you need to put a 3 and a 4 quickly now, honey. We're all waiting. Okay, everybody. 251 times 34 makes 8,534. You just did your first long times on the checkerboard. Who thinks I'm going to put it on your planners next week and you have to do it all by yourself?
Not me.
Jude's right. I'm not going to do that. We need a couple more lessons. But I thought you guys did pretty good, especially because you just got back from Thanksgiving break.
Can we, if we're allowed to, can we do it by ourselves?
If you want to.
Yes! Yes! I'll do